Okay, we got everything sanded down. I put some 1-inch nails in here to hold this, to make sure this doesn't come loose. We got our mark for our center for when we sanded it down, so we wouldn't lose our center marks. That's why I made the hole in here, so I'd know where to drill my hole for my stick. We had to cut some of this off. This was about an inch or so too long, because once you put your neck in back here, then you have to cut this off so your head will close up properly. Like I say, be sure you put the back of the head in when you put it in the vise this way, so you don't break your head. We're using an 1¼ inch stick, so we're going to drill up here about between 2–2.5 inches, and then for our stick to go in. An 1¼ inch stick. Mark our stick so we know how far to inset it. So we'll glue the stick in, let it set for a little while, and then we'll drill our hole for our string. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we're going to let that set up for a little while, and then we'll come back and drill our hole in here for our string. Thanks for watching.